car PPF near me, highly searched keyword. The search term, car PPF near me, is highly popular because it reflects a localized intent among users seeking paint protection film, PPF, services for their vehicles. Here's why this keyword is more searched. Localized need. People often prefer services that are convenient and accessible. Using near me indicates a desire to find car PPF services in close proximity, making it a practical and relevant search. Immediate solutions. Car owners may require PPF services urgently, such as after purchasing a new vehicle or experiencing paint damage. Searching for services near me suggests an immediate need for a solution. Personalized assistance. Local businesses can provide a more personalized experience, understanding the specific climate, road conditions, and other factors relevant to the area. Users may prioritize local expertise for their PPF needs. Trust and familiarity. People tend to trust businesses that are familiar or have a physical presence nearby. Searching for car PPF services locally may indicate a preference for dealing with businesses in their community. Quick access to information. Users often use the near me modifier for quick access to relevant information, including contact details, business hours, and customer reviews, facilitating a faster decision-making process. In summary, this search term reflects a combination of convenience, urgency, trust, and a desire for personalized services, making it a commonly used and highly searched keyword. Falcon Car Detailing is your go-to choice, and now, enjoy an exclusive 15% off on PPF services. Shield your vehicle from road hazards and enhance its longevity with our expert PPF solutions. Hurry, avail the offer and give your car the protection it deserves.